Hey guys, Caitlin here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm here to teach you how to make guacamole. But first I want to teach you why the avocado is such a powerhouse for fruit. Yes, I said it, a fruit. I never knew this. I never knew that avocado was a fruit. I always assumed it was a vegetable. Shame on me. So let's get into the health benefits of eating avocado. So there are 20 different nutrients in avocado, and might I say that's really great. It's low in saturated fats, which most foods today are not low in saturated fats. Most modern food is just full of saturated fats. So there's zero cholesterol, and the vitamins, there are many more. This is the only that I could list. There are B1, B2, and B3 vitamins. It's a very heart-healthy fruit to consume. So let's get right on into making some really great avocado dip. Follow me. Okay. So at the end of this video, this is what you should have. This should be your end result. I mean, it's super good. It's a little chunky. Got some good consistency there. All right, guys. So first I'm going to cut the avocado like so. Can you see? Cut the avocado like so. I kind of turn it around pretty slow. Make sure not to cut any fingers. Make sure the avocado is very ripe when you cut it, because if it's not, you could, lose a finger, cut yourself pretty bad. All right, so make sure you scoop it all out. There should be none left in there because we're working with mold. All right, so I'm gonna scoop this out, but save the pits, because later on when you want to stow it away or you want to transfer it somewhere, you put the pit in there and it keeps it fresh. Doesn't go brown, because I don't know about y'all, but brown guacamole weirds me out and I really do not eat it. Okay, so scoop the avocado out, make sure you get all of it. We're gonna cut the second one. Make sure you kind of go slow with that. You don't want to lose a finger. Scoop it out. Big old scoop. Alright, so now we're going to work on cutting up the tomato. I use pretty small tomatoes. Alright, so I turn it on its side, cut it up a little bit. Make sure you get pretty small cuts. If you want to move it in, come and see it. Just want to come see how small these cuts are. See, like little dices. Dice them up, little squares, put them in there. Maybe cut it just a little bit more. An interesting fact while I'm cutting these up is that they used to call the avocado the alligator pear. It's pretty weird. That's a weird name. I can understand why, I guess, because the outside of the avocado is pretty alligator-y looking. And it was banned in all 50 states in the 90s, which is crazy to me. Like, how do you live your life without eating avocado? Alright, so we're going to work on cutting up the onion. I don't know about you, but I'm a crier, so I'm not going to cut too many. We're going to dice them up. It's all about preference, how much you want of each thing in your guac dip. Alright, so we're going to bring the bowl towards us. So you can use fresh squeezed lemon juice and lime juice, but I prefer to use the bottles because you can just squeeze it out. You don't have to cut it up or anything. So, and plus if you're in a hurry, you're making this for some big event, cuts on time. So I use Larry's seasoning salt. It's not the healthiest, so if you want to pertain to a healthy diet, I wouldn't recommend using too much of it. I just use a little bit of it. Use a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to mash it up, just like so. You want to press it against the bowl, kind of like you're mashing some mashed potatoes. I like my guac dip to be kind of chunky. It's all about how you prefer it. Some people like it smooth, some people like it chunky. You can even use the NutriBullet. This makes it really smooth. I use that sometimes if I'm in a hurry or if I just kind of want it a little smoother than usual. All right. So there you have the avocado. It's a little chunky. Love it chunky. It's the best when it's chunky. So 1-by-1 comparison. This is what you want in your avocado dip. I mean, it's just the great consistency. You got great consistency on this end. You can use avocado for different things. Some people put it on their face as facials. Some people will use carrots to dip it with. Some people will use chips. It's also really great with salsa. So it's a really great snack, all in all. It's got health benefits and it's really tasty. It's like the powerhouse for a fruit. It's a green machine, and I encourage you to have a quick, tasty dip of avocado. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.